In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make amazing tomato sushi. And I'm not just going to put tomato slice on top of rice. Look at them. And special tomatoes I'm using are called
Sungold tomatoes.
I don't know if you ever had Sungold tomatoes, but they're super sweet. They're like candy. First, we're going to peel the skin off of these tomatoes. So let me show you how. Bring up water to a boil in a sauce pot. And then take the stems off the cherry tomatoes. Let's fast forward. Alright, now moving on. We need ice water so that we can shock the tomatoes to prevent overcooking. Now let's start cooking the tomatoes very quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, they're done. Let's take them out and shock them in ice water.
Hurry!
Last thing you want is to overcook the tomatoes. You're technically only cooking the skin of the tomatoes. From the vertical angle. You see how easy it is to pick up the cherry tomatoes using these slotted spoons, right?
Oh yeah!
Whoop whoop. Now we're going to peel the skin off the tomatoes. If you blanch the tomatoes properly, the skin will come right off. Look at this. Magical, right?
So pretty!
Squeaky clean tomatoes. I mean, come on, man. Look at it. 超かわいい. Now let's get to work and peel all these cherry tomatoes. Oh, it's a lot of work. Boop. Aren't they gorgeous? Moving on. Now we're going to flavor these tomatoes with white soy. So take about 2 to 3 tablespoons and just dump them all in tomatoes and marinate them for half an hour.
30 minutes!
Next step is making chili oil. Exciting, huh? Pour about half a cup of vegetable oil into a pot and bring it up to 375 degrees. Meanwhile, rehydrate 5 tablespoons of chili flakes with a tablespoon of water. Add about 2 sprigs of thyme and 2 cloves of garlic crushed. You'll get more flavor by crushing the garlic.
Is that right?
Mix them all together. The reason for rehydrating chili flakes is so that when you add hot oil, chili flakes won't burn as quickly. Once the oil has reached 375 degrees, pour the hot oil right into the bowl of chili flakes. This is quite dangerous, so please do be careful. But if it's done right, aroma is amazing. Here, I have my basic sushi rice made. If you're interested in my sushi rice recipes, I've attached a link below, so go check it out.
Check it out!
I'm going to add some chopped basil into the sushi rice. And here I have my homemade pickled baby shallots. I'm going to chop these up and throw them in the sushi rice also. See, it looks really nice. Herbaceous aroma from the basil, oniony flavor from my pickle, and I'm just gonna mix them all together. This is gonna taste fantastic. Stay with me, guys, we're almost there. Do you know what this is? This is called soy paper. It works like nori sheet, only that it isn't. They come in different colors, they're fun to use. I'm cutting them long ways in 4 pieces, brushing them with chili oil that I made earlier.
Nice color!
Fold it in half. So the chili oil is being sandwiched between 2 sheets of paper. Wrap this sheet around small sushi rice bowl. Make it pretty, just like this. You know what we're gonna do now. Pile that Sungold cherry tomatoes on top of rice. The more the cherry tomatoes, the better.
Wow!
Beautiful color, right?
Yeah!
I love the looks of it. I love the flavor of it too. Let's make several more pieces. Brush the sheet with chili oil. Wrap it around sushi rice bowl. And pile it up with Sungold cherry tomatoes. Hey Omachi! I love the color of these sushi. And they taste really good too. There's perfect balance of spiciness from chili oil, sweetness from the tomatoes. One bite awesomeness.
Awesomeness.
You should really try this at home. Thanks for watching, guys. And please press that like button if you feel like you got anything out of this video. And go check out the other vegetable sushi videos. Bye!